Hello everyone, in today's video I'll tell you how you can install any unknown source app in your device OnePlus Nord N300. So if in this device OnePlus Nord N300 you want to install any app from any unknown source, you can easily do it by following the method as I will show you in this video. Before we move to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video till end and you will learn how you can do this.